How to get coins in eFootball 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can get coins on eFootball 2024. So to get started, there are particularly many ways to get coins in eFootball 2024. The first way is using login bonus. So if you log in every day in a week, you will get up to 50 to 100 my club coins over here, as you can see, and then you simply want to go ahead and make sure to receive all. Once you basically get those gifts, you'll be actually able to collect a fair amount of coins. Now the other way is by simply playing events. So when you go to match section over here and then you go to events, you want to actually play user matches. So you can see at the top versus AI match. Versus AI match usually only have rewards, but they don't have my club coins. So instead, what you're gonna do is simply select any club and then just select one of those rewards of this, and then they basically will offer you my club rewards. So this is how easily and simply you can get the coins on eFootball 2024. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.